purple flowers as I'm walking to go find Ro. Gorgeous. So guys, this is where Ro ran off to.
I do from morning, just rise up and go to the river. Because it rained hard last night.
Yes.
The river early in the morning, there was some fish and something, you know, some yoga type of thing.
Mm-hmm.
Then there's a little swing. And now we're going to visit the river again to show you guys, you know.
Yeah.
Feel up the river in the morning, you know.
Yeah. Guys, see some more pretty flowers here. Nice.
You know what, the cover here, okay, I'll cover here if you jump there. Good.
Nice. Yo! Yeah. You ever gonna come? Yeah. Ro's gonna show you his back foot, guys. Woo! Yeah, at Ebony.
Lemon, guys, lemon.
The real lemons.
It's like I use as a vinegar. I wash chicken in a lemon water.
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
Okay, guys, everything is in there already. You know, curry and everything. It'll be just the pre-season. Whatever, leave it, make it marinate. Then maybe an hour or an hour and a half.
Mm-hmm. Smells nice already. Alright guys, throwing in the oil for the curry chicken. Alright guys, chicken time. Time to add the chicken. Wait, all wing in there? Curry wing. Yes, guys. Comment below if you love curry like me. I love curry. What about you, Chef Ro?
What do you mean? Curry is number one thing.
Yeah, man. Ooh. Alright guys, so here's what it's looking like. We're throwing in the veggies and about to add some more water. As I said, it is smelling amazing already.
A little more water.
Remnants of the curry and the water going in.
Left that to simmer now. So we'll stir it butter, mix up everything.
Yeah, so Ro is stirring up the pot. For those of you who can't understand what he's saying, gonna stir up the pot and make it simmer.
Yeah.
I'm just turning the chicken right now.
And so that's all we reach so far. It's curry chicken.
Coconut curry.
Yeah, we're still putting the coconut milk.
Yeah, and that's the last, guys. But here's what we're working with
We're
so far.
almost done too.
Guys, fixing up the coal. The coal is being very stubborn today, but we got time. We got time.
Yeah, I look at this time, you know. Left that for simmer now, got it.
Well, guys, look at that. Chicken, I do it thing, guys. I wish you could smell it.
Real mad.
Smell mad. It's a seller.
That's curry and kitchen and chicken and wing.
Oh my god, I forgot about that.
The rice,
we have the rice. We're about to put on the rice.
Alright guys, so this is the coconut milk. Just put in the powder and mix it in like turn it into milk. And I will show the scene. See color, see it lighter.
Yeah, oh look at that, guys.
I'll get some more water too.
Creamy. Alright guys, we walk into the pipe to get some water. You fill up the water already, guys. See the pipe there. Alright, so I put a little tip more. Jesus, water cool, guys. I love coconut milk on my end.
Put on the rice, I know.
Alright guys, go and say it again.
I'm about to put on the rice, I know, guys. So that is the butter. Butter kind of melt up, but boy, it rough.
Well, it's a little melting of the rice anyways.
Make it even easier on the rice.
Exactly.
Yeah, that you see a float by the top of those little herbs, as you know.
Yes guys, between you and I, it's infused.
Yes.
Guys, just know when you hear that between you and I, you just know what time it is.
Infused. You know. Promote this, you know, don't try it at home if you can't manage. Believe it. Come with a disclaimer.
Yeah, serious disclaimer.
Please.
Do not try making edible food
at home.
There
Unless
is
you
a
can
major
manage it.
difference between smoking and ingesting weed. Okay,
Different.
so don't play yourself. In short, okay, you
Yeah.
heard it here first. All right, y'all. So the coconut milk is kind of curdling right now, but that is okay. We are gonna go ahead and mix everything back in.
Yeah. Add some extra water to it and thing.
So we're about to add more water too, but look how rich that looks.
Creamy.
It smells even more amazing.
And guys, you know, this, most of the vegetable them cook out in the gravy. Which is even better. It's like when you blend up the seasoning them, but it's like if you leave it on by the fire so long, they end up cook out and the meat super tender.
Guys, you like rose cap?
Oh, a little bonnet.
A little bonnet to keep out the lint out of the locks, you know?
And the coal fire and
yes. And he keeps forgetting to put his hair up, so we don't want his locks to burn, guys. So, yes.
Alright, guys, we are turning this in a curry rice. And that's some normal eat them. Normally just put the curry powder in there, but yeah, I gotta see it all look until we're done.
Yeah.
See the curry rice.
Alright guys, so this is what the curried rice is looking like, and like I said, everything is infused today, the chicken, the rice, everything. So yeah, looking real good and smelling even better.
Don't expect to do this.
Alright guys, so sharing out the curry rice. Yes, yes. Whoa. Now to the curry chicken. Oh, did I get more rice? That's clearly Rose Bowl. Oh, for the best parts, curry chicken.
Coconut curry.
Yeah, coconut curry. Ooh.
Just regular curry now. Tell them.
We're not regular over here. Tell them. Ooh, look how thick that gravy is. Ooh.
Gravy for days, man. The whole of the reason it's so thick too because all of the thing there, all of the seasoning boil out in the pot.
Yeah guys, so like we said, you can either blend out the seasoning beforehand,
or you can make it boil out.
or you can make it boil out in a pot, and in our case it boiled out. It's gonna be super flavorful. So yeah.
I love gravy, you know, that's just me I do that.
Me too. I'm a gravy head. Yeah.